If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi on your Cubot X19 S, at first you have to go to the notification bar, then click and hold your Wi-Fi icon, and right now we'll be moved to the Wi-Fi settings, and as you can see here we got the couple of the Wi-Fi network. I'm currently connected for this one, but if you want to connect to the new one, click on the network and then input password. When you click to show password, you'll be sure that your password is correct because you can see it right now, and click connect if you input your password. As you can see, after a few moments we are finally connected and we can use our device. And as you can see, it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.